Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a snippets in Visual Studio Code, since I saw a lot of people asking me how I did in my video something like that. Okay, so I'll be showing you that today, and also make sure to check out our Discord server, discord.gg/UltraX, because we're making a $10 Nitro giveaway. So now let's hop into the video. Okay, so it was something like /top, and then it just typed me all of this. Okay, so that's pretty easy actually. I'm gonna go to the settings and then press on user snippets, and then I'm gonna search for javascript.json. Okay, and I'm gonna just press on it. So this is how it works. Okay, basically you're gonna just type. I'm gonna be making one right now with you guys. So you're gonna just type any name here, and they cannot be the same. So let's say I want it to be like test 2 points. Okay, I will just put those, and I also need to put a comma. Okay, it seemed like already test. I used it down, so I'm gonna just name it blah blah anything. Anyways, I'm gonna now need to name it, like the thing that when I typed /top, this will be the prefix. I'm gonna type here prefix, and then here will be the prefix. I will just name it in here test. Okay, now I'm gonna put a body. So body, I want it to be like that, like an array. So you cannot put all of them, like if you want line breaks, you cannot put all of them in like that. Let me show you. Like you cannot do const discord equal blah 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 and then like that. See, I got an error because this is JSON, not JavaScript. So let me show you. So I'm gonna put const x equal require, put here UltraX, my package. I have a package, make sure to check it out if you want to. And then I'll put a comma, and then /r. /r, oops, this means it's like /n in JavaScript. It's basically line break. Okay, I'm gonna just use here anything else like module.exports.run equal async client message args prefix. Okay, and then I'm gonna just do this. Okay, and then oops, what did I just did? I'm gonna put here like or I don't know what is this called. I know it's not called slash, but I'll just call it slash for now. And just put this. Okay, that's pretty simple. So I'm gonna just put here a comma and put a description for it. Let's say that the description is like test or sub2 UltraX. And that's it so far. Now if I went back to here and I did test, as you can see, I just typed test and then press enter. Here, let me do it again. Here, exclamation mark test, because we named it here test, and then enter. Oops, let me type again. Like that. See? It perfectly works. So I know this is a short video, but a lot of people ask me how I did that. So this is how I did it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.